Look at this. A little Baggins checking it out. What do you think, Baggins? Do you approve? What's up, guys? So yeah, guys, today I'm building the bed unit, closing this off. I'm going to put a piece of shutter ply here, close that off, and then I'm going to carry on with the bed frame, where I'm going to mount the bed boards along there and along here, and then close this off. I want this unit finished now. So yeah, that's today's mission. Lekker. And there you go. So yeah, this is the bed divider. I'm gonna still put strips up here just to seal it, but yeah, fastened it down there with these brackets. But this is going to be separating the lounge or living space to the garage. So this will be all covered once the bed's made. So yeah, that's what we're looking like. So yeah, it's quite high, but it's gonna be a step here so you can get into the bed. But I wanted a nice high bed, gives you more space underneath. So yeah, which leaves us with a kitchen unit, possibly a little like bench couch here. I think having a couch here makes sense. So you can look out here, and then this here will be like a little office desk, which will probably come out to like over here. So I can mount something up there, storage, maybe a little cabinet that flows through here, and like spice racks over here, kitchen unit there, and then yeah, the rest. Yeah, it's cool, but it gives a lot of space for the inverter, batteries, water tank, and all the garage. So it's cool. So yeah, as you can see, I've done the bed strips. So planks will sit in here, it'll go across, and then obviously your mattress will float on top of that. Cool beans. So yeah, this is kind of the bed, bracket, middle beam, and then cross sections, and then the mattress. And yeah, you've got this whole space under here, which will be the workshop, tool spaces. It's coming on, lads, it's coming on. Cool. So I'm just fastening down the bed frame, bed beams, should I say. That's it. There you go. Bed is in. These are all fastened, and that's it. So there's all your workshop space under here. So, mattress on top. I'll just get a custom foam cut. I'll take the exact measurements plus thickness, and then it should be flush here, straight through. And then that's it. That's today's job done. The bed divider / bed frame made. Cool beans. Look at this. A little Baggins checking it out. What do you think, Baggins? Do you approve? Yeah, I think you do approve, eh? Are you happy with the craftsmanship? Hey? Hey? Yeah.